AC, full form is air conditioning, often is the process of removing heat from an enclosed space to achieve a more comfortable interior environment, sometimes referred to as comfort cooling and in some cases also strictly controlling the humidity of internal air. Air conditioning can be achieved using a mechanical air conditioner or alternatively a variety of other methods, including passive cooling or ventilative cooling. Air conditioning is a member of a family of systems and techniques that provide heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC. Heat pumps are similar in many ways to air conditioners, but use a reversing valve to allow them to heat and also cool an enclosed space.